show you how to make chicken teriyaki with 4 to 5 ingredients, where you'll be eating deliciousness within 15 or so minutes. Let's get into it. A little oil in the pan. Down and away from me.
Let's get this chicken well seared on one side.
Moving ahead on mise en place. Soy, mirin, that's it. That's gonna make up our sauce. I am cheating as well. I'm using minute rice. Don't judge me. I've got 2 kids and a wife and 2 dogs. Sometimes you just gotta get dinner on the table, yo. I don't like to flip until I get a nice brown. That's not brown enough for me. All right, there we go. Almost brown, as you can see here. Also looking up the sides of the chicken, you start to see the doneness creep up from the bottom to the top. Here we go, I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna lower the heat now because I am gonna be adding liquids to the pan. So I'm gonna go from high to medium, low, because there's still a lot of residual heat in the pan. I'm gonna turn that over. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do the teriyaki sauce now. First ingredient. Going to be mirin. All this is sweetened rice wine. Think about sake, but with sugar added to it. That's looking hot right there. Now a little soy sauce for the salt. I don't want a lot. A little goes along. And then I'm gonna add that ginger that I used the microplane with. And let's give this a good stir. And check this out. In the pan, the sauce is already at a glaze. Pretty happy here. The chicken feels pretty done. My glaze is quite happy. Look at that. Equal parts water to equal parts rice. 10 minutes. And you've got pretty perfect unsticky rice. That's gonna go right in as my base. This is probably a perfect healthy meal for one. Probably perfect for 2 people to share. So this would be like Allie and my supper. Kids would be eating pizza anyway, so they don't eat real food. And I'm gonna lift this chicken out now and let it rest a little bit. So these 2 pieces of chicken are done. Now this is the magic. You see the sauce? It's thick enough to coat the back of the spoon, and I don't want it any thicker. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and stop the cooking and reserve that sauce. So after the chicken's rested a little bit, I'm just gonna slice it into tiles. So I'm looking at this bird, and I think I could just kind of do one of these with a slight angle on the chicken, and that's what I'm looking for. All right, chicken pieces are thin sliced. I think we should plate this thing up. I'll take the teriyaki, and I like to fan it right over.
Let's top with some furikake.
It's gonna be a perfect meal for 2 in my opinion. This would be the perfect little supper for me and Al. Some scallions, and then I'm gonna come over the top. I'm gonna save the scallions too for the top teriyaki sauce that you built. Oh yeah, and I want the rice to get it, the chicken to get it. Woohoo! Some finishing garnishes, and we are good to go. Well, there you have it, Team Tila. Chicken teriyaki deliciousness. Less than 15 minutes. Less than 5 or so ingredients. All in your house. Very, very simple. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.